how to create an eco-friendly and sustainable products e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and then proceed to type in your email or your username. So I'm going to go with the email. After typing your email, click on next to proceed to type in your password. And after typing your password, click on login and then give it a few seconds to load. After loading in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. Then do the same with this other question. And then choose the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about eco-friendly and sustainable products. So I'm going to see if I can find something related to that. So I'm just going to go with tools and parts, or I'm going to choose the health and beauty and arts and crafts as a category. Then, and if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and give it a few seconds to build your store. And here you are. This is the dashboard. As you can see, in your right you have the edit site button, and here you have the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you, starting with website. And here we have the edit site button again, and we have the domains button where you can set your new domain or check the one that you already have or change it. Then we have the items section, and in here we have the sites items where you can create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the sites categories where you can create new categories for your products, options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's all what we have in this section. Let's proceed to the next one, which is orders, and it's basically where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where you have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on the summary button. Then we have the marketing section where basically you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with the email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, setup, and the summary if you want to see the summary of all these tools. And that's it for this section. Then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then last but not least, we have the settings section where you have the general settings if you want to change the company name or your mobile phone or your mobile number or phone number or your email or your address. As you can see, your phone number, email, address. Then we have the checkout where you can set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account or changing the country and the currency of your store. Also, we have the sales taxes if you want to set up your taxes. Then we have the units where you can change the language and also edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here, just give it a few seconds guys to load. It will not take that much. You will see it right now. Just a second while we build your site, as you can read. And it's loading. And here it is, you have the setup guide. If you want to follow it, if not, just ignore it. It will disappear right now. Then the first thing that shows up, which is the styles. And here you can choose one of these styles to be the style of your store. So just wait for the store to be fully loaded. And then we will choose one of these styles. So just wait for it. And here, this is our store. So let's choose the first one and let's check if it fits our store. So here I don't like it that much. I'm going to change it to another one. I'm going to choose this one and let's check again. So I think this one is very good. So click on apply site styles. Then you proceed to the site's design. If you want to change the style again, you can do that in here. And if you want to add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change fonts, which I'm going to change from this Ricolita or what its name to Comforta. So I really like this Comforta font. And then I'm going to change this one to 16 pixels. Then I'm going to add this one to 130 here, and these ones I'm going to leave them like this. Then click on done. After that, I'm going to change the shapes of the buttons and the images by making them rounded, and then click on done. After that, click on done. And if you want to search for a domain, you can just type the domain in here. If not, just close this one and dismiss all, dismiss again. And here you have your pages. If you want to change them, delete them, or adjust them the way you want. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.